Hi guys, I hope you are fine and doing well. This is manual number 21, and in this manual we will discuss that how to delete a record from MySQL database. Okay. Uh, so we have studied that how to create database, how to connect MySQL database, how to retrieve data from MySQL database, and in the second last tutorial we have studied how to insert record in a MySQL database, and this we will discuss how to delete record. Okay, so the very first step is that you have to create your window form application in Visual Studio. Okay, and in step number 2 you have to design the window form application same like this. Actually in this uh, deletion of record, we need only the ID of user that we want to delete from the table. Okay, so we will use only this text box. Okay, and this is I have created for the previous tutorial, and in this tutorial we will work on delete record. Okay, so in step number 2 just create design your window application same like this. Okay, and in step number 3 actually we are going to add the reference of MySQL data. So right click on reference and search here in search box MySQL dot data. Once you will find, so just open this and finally press OK. And step number 4, this is coding section where you need to insert the namespace using MySQL.data MySQL client. You need to insert this namespace. Okay, and in step number 5 uh, you have to open your MySQL workbench, where we will see that either we when we are deleting data that is working properly or not. Okay, for this purpose, okay, actually we are opening MySQL workbench. In step number 6, this is the next screen of your MySQL workbench. So this point number 1 is the representation of database, students database, and this is students underscore table of this database, and these all records, these data belong to this table. Okay, so if I want to delete this record, this, so we can delete, sir. Just I will put the ID of this user inside textbox 1. You will see later on practically. Okay, I'll show you. And step number 7 we will discuss the code, that how we will code for this operation, for this activity. So this is button number 2. Button number 2, actually we are writing this code at the back end of this button. Okay, so you need to double click on this button, then you will be able uh, to come over here and write your code for the operation. So the I have included exception block. Okay, the first block is try block, uh, where I have where we will write the whole code, and in catch block the it will catch the error if any error occurs over here in our code section. So line number 1, I mean point number 1, my connection, I'm creating connection with the database. Okay, so my connection con1 is equal to new my connections data source. Okay, data source mean that from where you want to delete the data, you want to insert data, you want to update data, truncate data. Actually truncate is used to delete multiple or all rows from a table. Okay, also we will discuss that in the later on tutorial. So our data source is localhost and port is 3306. Initial catalog students, this is your database name. Okay, this is your database name, look here. Okay, this is database, and actually this is table of database. I want to display the data of this table. So this is database, this is table, and this is table data. Okay, username is root, password is also root, string query I want to create a variable for in query. So delete from students database name dot student underscore table, your table name, where students ID, from where I'm getting the student ID. So text box 1 giving me, okay, student ID over here. Okay, so connection con1 dot open, in this if I want to open the connection, and my this command uh, will take query of execute both of these and perform the operation. Okay, so the next for point number 4 represent if else block. Okay, in catch exception will catch the error. In step number 8, that I have run my project, and over here I want to delete record number 7 from this uh, database. So I will include only the ID of this user over here in text box 1, and I will press delete record button, so the record will be deleted. Okay, you can see same like here. Okay, so I have inserted 7 ID number 7 of the user, and I pressed delete record. Once you will perform operation from your project, so you need to refresh the table. Okay, so I have refreshed the table, and you can see that record number 7 is not further over here. So let's see practically that is it working properly or not. So this is our MySQL database, and I want to delete this row number 6. So let me minimize this, and I will run our project. So as I told you that you have to design your window form same like this, and this is coding section. So let's move from here. Okay, and this is the backend of that button delete record. Okay, already we have discussed the same code over there, and let's run our project. Wait, it will take few minutes. Now this is we have run our project, our application, and I want to delete row number 6, sorry 6. So just I will put the ID of this user over here and press delete. Okay, yeah, it worked. A record has been deleted. Okay, I will refresh. Yes, you can see that I have deleted record number 7. Now I want to delete record number 5. Press delete, record has been deleted, and press now I want to record number 4. uh, yeah, so it's working properly. Okay, uh, so this is the way that how you can delete a record from a database. So try it by yourself, and if you are facing any kind of issue, so let me know. Thank you.